and I can see students of study hall with us. All I have to say that we have merged the questions which are being sent to us study hall से और भी जो स्कूलों से हमें questions मिले. Hello ma'am. Hi.
Hi Prerna, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So welcome Madhulika ma'am, and welcome
Thank
everyone
you.
who have just joined the session to watch us live today. So before I ask questions to Madhulika ma'am, I just want to say that जिन students ने हमें questions भेजे थे to जो हम पूछ सके Madhulika ma'am से, I will be merging those questions as well as जो हमारे set of questions हैं, and then we will be asking ma'am about it.
Sure. Hello everyone who has joined us right now. It's like Sunday afternoon lunch. Thank you for being part of this live.
Yeah. So, well, ma'am, what is mental health and how do we define it?
Thank you for the first thing, Prerna. Thank you for taking up this topic, which is very pertinent and very relevant in the current
Right.
time, especially. Mental health is nothing, but it's no rocket science. It's as relevant and as simple as we look at physical health. The only
Right.
difference is that we do not have a magical pill to take care of our mental health. Like if you want a good life, you need to follow certain routines, certain practices. The
Yes.
same goes for mental health. And
Yes.
if you need a definition for it, the WHO ने कहा है कि everybody who is able to do their respective duties and live a fulfilling life, right? Where you are able to contribute to your workplace, to your family life, to have a
Right.
fulfilling sense of purpose and contribute to the society, then that's good mental health.
Right. So, can we prevent mental health problems? Because COVID के time से जब से lockdown हुआ है, I think general well-being पे भी because people are not able to go out, students are not able to go out to their schools, and वो जो co-curricular activities में engagement रहता था, वो सब अभी रुका हुआ है because students are, मैं अगर students के perspective से बात करूँ मैम, तो how do we prevent these mental health issues?
The first thing is that I will say to everybody who has joined in and maybe whoever watches it later, please do remember that in the history of mankind, unless we're a centenarian of 100 साल से ऊपर के हैं, none
जी.
of us have ever experienced a pandemic like this before or a
True.
situation like this before, and it has been unprecedented for all of us. Yes, of
Right.
course, different kinds of age bracket would have different kind of concerns and difficulties rising out of pandemic. तो पहली
Right.
बात तो ये है कि अगर हम अपने आप को अनप्रिपेयर्ड मानते हैं इस पूरी सिचुएशन में तो काफी जायज है बिकॉज हमने इस तरह की स्थिति
बिल्कुल.
कभी पहले अनुभव ही नहीं की है राइट
बिल्कुल
सो
मैम.
this that we're living in the shadow of a global pandemic, it's
Yeah.
overwhelming, it's unprecedented, it's fine. However, we need to understand that as long as we allow ourselves to be a victim of situation तो
Right.
हमेशा सफर करेंगे but when we
Yes.
look at every such opportunity as a challenge and see what can we do out of it, what can
Right.
we bring out of it, how differently can we approach the situation, we can be more in charge of the situation and find
Right.
ways through whatever crisis that we're dealing with, right? So, and
बिल्कुल.
in case if there are any specific questions, then probably I could answer it specifically. But looking at pandemic like any other challenge, right, and find
जी.
out what can we do about it is something we all can put our heads together and find if we really want to look for a solution.
Right. Right. मैम, फियर, एंजाइटी या पैनिक रिलेटेड जो इश्यूज होते हैं, क्या ये भी मेंटल हेल्थ से रिलेटेड है?
Yes, of course. These are kind of a symptomatic reaction when you are not
ओके.
able to handle what life has thrown at you. So
राइट.
anxiety or any kind of mental health concern is a reflection of कि जो हमारी resources हैं और जो demands
जी.
हैं उसमें
जी.
mismatch है, right? We are not able to handle or we feel inadequate to handle the challenges in our life. And as a
बिल्कुल.
result, we may feel fear, anxiety, or panic, as you said. But do understand that some bit of panic is good, right? For example, you are preparing for a date, right? Your first baby, your first outing, you being independent, first job. ये सारी चीजें पे anxiety करते हैं. So there are good stressors, there are bad stressors. And as one of the psychologists has said, stress is the spice of life. तो अगर हम आपकी जिंदगी से सारे challenges हटा दें तो बहुत ही ब्लैंक जिंदगी हो जाएगी. So maybe we should take whatever we can. I'm not saying कि हर तरह का challenge easier to handle है, but maybe we should take a little bit of pinch of salt and see what can we do about these things. But yes, they are related to mental health, and
ओके.
we need to find ways to strengthen ourselves, make ourselves more resourceful to deal with these issues.
मैम, हम बैड स्ट्रेस को कैसे ट्रिगर होने से बच सकते हैं? मतलब हमें बैड स्ट्रेस का जो एक ट्रिगर पॉइंट होता होगा, तो हाउ टू स्टॉप इट? कैन वी?
See, any kind of stressor is a kind of an trigger. कोई भी चीज
Right.
हमारे लिए स्ट्रेसर का काम कर सकते हैं. जैसे मान लीजिए आप और हम के लिए इस वक्त पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे बात करना स्ट्रेसफुल नहीं होगा, बट किसी के लिए पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्ट्रेसफुल हो सकती है. तो स्ट्रेसर्स जो है और बहुत इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक होते हैं, राइट, बहुत
बिल्कुल.
स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्टिव होते हैं. सो व्हाट इज योर बैड स्ट्रेस? सो स्ट्रेस इज नथिंग बट आवर रिएक्शन टू इट. सो जैसे हम हिंदी में एक हमारे वो भी है ना, मानो तो भगवान नहीं तो पत्थर, राइट. सो
बिल्कुल.
सिमिलरली what is stress for you may not be stress for
जी.
somebody else. So as a result of it, what is bad stress for you is your response to that situation and not the situation itself, right?
बिल्कुल.
So if we find out how can we have a relook at the situation to see, अगर हम इसको दूसरी तरह से इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं, हम अपना नजरिया चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो उस स्ट्रेस को हैंडल करने की हमारी क्षमता बढ़ जाती है. वी आर मोर केपेबल ऑफ डीलिंग विद दैट सिचुएशन देन.
Right. Ma'am, how to stay positive in this pandemic? Remain focused and avoid stress. I mean, this question is comes from a school student from study hall. कि इस
Yeah.
पैंडेमिक में भी कैसे पॉजिटिविटी जो लोग बोलते हैं कि स्टे पॉजिटिव, वो कैसे रखें और फोकस कैसे बना कर रखें?
Uh, I don't want to dismiss who is saying this to you, पर कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. It is unreal for us to stay positive at all times. You know, अगर
बिल्कुल.
we have a gamut of emotions, हम सारे टाइम खुश नहीं रह सकते, जैसे हम सारे टाइम दुखी नहीं रह सकते, उसी तरह से हम सारे टाइम खुश भी नहीं रह सकते. So
जी.
those of you who are saying that let's be positive, no, it's all right to feel when you see so much of suffering around you, so much of uncertainty, such changes in our routine. हम घर से बाहर नहीं
बिल्कुल.
निकल सकते last 16 months without, you know, feeling like we may come back with something. So obviously it's not possible to feel good at all times. However,
बिल्कुल.
what we can do is we can accept that things are difficult. We can
या.
accept that I'm not feeling right now okay about it, and then see what can we do about it. So please don't dismiss any kind of emotions which are difficult to handle, because that's also a call for help, right? So आप सारे टाइम पॉजिटिव नहीं रह सकते. आपसे जो भी ये उम्मीद कर रहे हैं, आप probably उनकी ना सुनिए. It's not possible to stay positive at all times.
बिल्कुल. आई थिंक ये बात मैम बहुत जरूरी है कि हर वक्त, जैसे आपने बोला कि एक जैसी चीजें नहीं रहती, तो हर वक्त हमें, ठीक है, अगर कोई इंसान बोलता है कि हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहो, तो वो भी कई बार इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
Yeah, but definitely, see, अगर आप positive होना, you know, that's a trait that you can build upon. That's a character you
जी.
can build upon. But
जी.
आपको हम बिना तैयारी के पानी में फेंक दें और बोले तैरना सीखो, तो that's not correct, right? So आपको जो अगर
बिल्कुल.
anxiety होगी कि how do I stay afloat is very valid. So what we are suggesting is to feel all kinds of emotions. अगर आप
जी.
stressed हैं, anxious हैं, uncertain हैं, especially school students जिनको, you know, पूरा का all the students जिनका पूरा का पूरा टीचिंग का जरिया ही बदल गया है, even for that matter
जी.
teachers as well. So ये
राइट.
uncertainty feel करना, ये overwhelm feel करना बहुत लाजमी है. However, there are ways through which you can anchor yourself. Like for example, आप जब, as you said about school students, आप जब स्कूल जाते थे, आपका रूटीन था, आपको पता है कि रूटीन फॉलो करना is a sign of normalcy. So अभी
राइट.
जब हम रूटीन फॉलो नहीं करते, तो it looks like things have gone alright, कुछ गड़बड़ है. So first thing when you're feeling little overwhelmed with regards to the pandemic conditions is to bring back a routine to your life, right? It is very important कि हम एक पूरा, जैसे ये नहीं कि किसी भी वक्त उठे, किसी भी वक्त सोए, कभी भी खाए, नहाए धोए नहीं, whatever, you know, so simple things. So start with getting a routine, and then depending upon what you wish to accomplish, you know, you can always there are several things. If you want, I can give you more inputs on that.
बिल्कुल.
क्या कर सकते हैं? Like for example, you find a purpose. अब दिन भर आपको कुछ करने को नहीं है, तो बोरियत तो होगी, तो दिमाग 10 जगह जाएगा. So find
बिल्कुल.
a purpose, find something to do. Maybe you can start with make a to-do list every day कि आप क्या करेंगे. Make certain goals if you're in school and you're planning to, you know, study abroad or higher
राइट.
studies अगर आपका है. So find yourself a goal, and there is a technique which we call in मोटिवेटिंग वर्कफोर्स में हमारा एक थ्योरी है जिसको हम कहते हैं स्मार्ट गोल्स. स्मार्ट गोल
जी.
स्टैंड्स फॉर द एक्रोनिम SMART. So smart is just specific, M is your
ओके.
measurable, third is
ओके.
achievable, R is realistic, and T is time bound. So make smart goals for yourself which you can
जी.
accomplish, and every time you are able to fulfill a goal that you set out for, next time वो आपको confidence देगा to move to the next step. So that's something which, you know, students can start with to feel
राइट.
little more in charge of life right now.
राइट. Ma'am, how do we disassociate ourselves or overcome from issues and things which are not in our control but cause anxiety, stress, and negativity?
I think a part of the answer to the question lies in the question itself.
Yes,
कि
yes.
what is not in our control, जो आपके
जी,
हाथ में है ही नहीं, उसके पीछे भागने से आप सिर्फ अपनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, right?
जी,
So it is important for us to know, to understand what is it that we can control and what is it
जी,
that we cannot, right? ये
right,
पहले जानना बहुत जरूरी है. And what
जी,
is not in our control, उसको अगर हम अ, अपने जितना ज्यादा उसके पीछे भागेंगे इट विल एड टू मोर स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी.
right,
सो वी
right,
शुड रादर फोकस ऑन व्हाट वी कैन डू. सो आपके कंट्रोल में अभी क्या है? अगर आपको बाहर जाने का मन है और आपके शहर में लॉकडाउन है, यू नो देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन डू अबाउट इट. आप बाहर जाएंगे तो
yes,
आप लॉ ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. सो आपके कंट्रोल में अगर आपको बोरियत हो रही है, सो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ वेज टू एंटरटेन योरसेल्फ. So focus more on what you can actually do, and that will give you a situation. And there's a technique which we use in psychology, whereby, as I said, it is not stress that makes us stressed; it is our reaction
जी,
to it. So there's a
जी,
technique by a famous psychologist called ABC technique. Whereby how we respond to a situation
जी,
is how we feel about the situation. So A
right,
stands for adversity, कोई भी situation हो सकती है. B stands for your belief about that situation, and C
right,
is the result of what consequent emotion you will feel. So अगर आप अपना belief change करते हैं, as I said, instead of feeling like a victim, you start feeling like, let me see what I can do about it. Get more proactive
right,
in dealing with the situation. You will not feel those negative emotions that you are feeling. So probably start having a relook at those situations. And mind you, I'm speaking of those things which are fleeting. अगर ये consistent है, बहुत troubling है, so I will request all of you who are feeling any kind of situation where you feel you cannot handle it or your family or friends cannot help, please reach out for professional help, right? There is a solution to almost everything. All you need to do
right,
is look into the right place.
right, right. Ma'am, abhi in the comment box there was a question from a school. So the student is asking that because of the routine that they are not going out at times, the entire pandemic and the kind of discussions are happening, and I mean something or the other, everybody is suffering with something or the other. So it is also affecting on the physical thing. I mean they're feeling fatigue, anxious all the time, not willing to do things. So then in that case, ma'am, what do you advise to them?
As you said, that they don't have a routine, and as a result they don't know what to do with this, right? So as I mentioned in one of the previous answer to previous question, that
जी,
find a routine. आप चाहे आपका exams हो चाहे नहीं हो, and do remember, for example, those of you who have studied for your 10th examinations and 12th examinations, if you have finished your school or you are in class 11, आपको
right,
ध्यान रहेगा कि आपने जब एक टाइम टेबल बनाया था तो कितना अच्छे से वर्क किया था आपके लिए, राइट? सो एक हिंदी में कहावत है ना, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. सो जब आपके पास कुछ सेट रूटीन नहीं है तो दिमाग इधर उधर जाएगा. इट्स अ मंकी माइंड. सो उसको चैनलाइज करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू फाइंड थिंग्स लाइक प्रॉब्ली स्टार्ट विद अ हॉबी. समथिंग you
right,
didn't have time, स्कूल से आते थे, ट्यूशन से आते थे, घर आके थक जाते थे. You are cutting down on commuting time. You can find ways to connect. Like there are so many
right,
people जिन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पे अपना ओकेजन सेलिब्रेट किए हैं. आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपको प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन ढूंढने में एनर्जी लगानी है, प्रॉब्लम पे फोकस करने में नहीं लगानी है, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम तो कहीं नहीं जाने वाली. बट द
जी,
मोर वेराइटी ऑफ ways through which you can approach a problem, you may just come around a solution. So finding a routine, finding ways through which you can connect to people on social media, have Zoom parties or whichever channel, whichever platform that you go in, ask your friends about things, get creative, pick up a hobby that you have been thinking of कि तब करेंगे जब time होगा. Now you have time. Pick up a hobby, and that's not just for students, for everybody who feels listless, everybody who's feeling कि like जिंदगी में क्या हो गया, ठहराव आ गया या stagnate हो गई है. All of us have this opportunity to जो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम हमारे पास है, लेट्स डू समथिंग विच वी हैव बीन पार्किंग फॉर लॉन्ग, कि हम जब समय होगा तब करेंगे. तो मान लीजिए God has given you the opportunity to use this time to find that hobby and cultivate that or work upon it, or go back to it and retrieve that hobby back into your life.
राइट, राइट. मैम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जैसे अभी हम डिस्कशन पे बात कर रहे थे, मैंने आपको बताया कि एक जनरल वेलबींग जो एक स्टूडेंट की है वो काफी ज्यादा इफेक्ट हुई है बिकॉज ऑफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. देन ऑब्वियसली फियर इज आल्सो देयर. बहुत ज्यादा डर है कि हमें किसी को कोविड हो ना जाए, या जब लोग आपस में अपने आसपास के लोगों में, अपने नेबरहुड में कोविड की कोई इस तरीके से सुनते हैं, तो इट इज आल्सो अफेक्टिंग देयर मेंटल हेल्थ इन टर्म्स ऑफ बीइंग फियरफुल ऑल द टाइम. इसको मैम कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं? दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट.
Right. See, I completely understand that these are difficult times क्योंकि ये
Yeah.
आपकी गलती नहीं किसी और की गलती से भी आपको हो सकता है. So
जी.
the first and foremost thing I think as citizens we all can do is follow the guidelines given by the government and the respective places that you come from. जो आपके हैं, हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के जितने संभव तरीके हैं, like double masking है, social distancing है, do not
Right.
step out of the house unless it's not important. That's a physical way you can prevent it.
Right.
Secondly, अगर मान लीजिए आपको हो भी जाता है, so you all would know, but I'm not the right person, I'm not a doctor that way, but आप सबको, there are so many stories of people who have recovered well also, right? So
Yes.
what again I'm talking about, focusing on what you can do is prevention is the key here. आप जितना संभव हो घर से बाहर नहीं जाएं, आपको लगता है कि आप खेल नहीं सकते या बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो you will have to choose, you know, getting infected is a bigger threat or staying at home and getting bored is a bigger threat for you. You know, you choose the less of the two devils. So physically, आप अपने आप को वैसे protect कर सकते हैं, and God
जी.
forbid, even if you get infected, the doctors have been saying that most of us will be fine with proper medication and rest and quarantine, you know, but through self-quarantine. So, yes, very, very unfortunate the way second wave has taken away so many of our dear ones. बहुत डर लगता है, सबको लगता है, बहुत जेन्युइन भी है, पर डर से आपको कोई प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलने वाला, वो आपका इम्यून सिस्टम और वीक कर देगा, वो आपको और यू नो जो चीजें आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं वो एंजॉय करने से आपको रोकेगा. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग fearful, I think what I would suggest is be more precautious about everything that you do so that you don't contract it. And God forbid if you contract it, please follow the guidelines by the doctor and make sure that you know you recover well at home. My best wishes to anyone who probably has suffered or is suffering from COVID.
Ma'am, for teachers, I want you to please guide to overcome monotonous teaching online, you know, taking online classes from home. Stress of managing home. I mean, I am very sure that teachers who are taking classes now at home, उनका घर का भी जो एक set routine है, that is also there. So उसके लिए मैम,
Yeah.
how, you know, teachers कैसे अपने आप को positive और motivated रखें?
I know. As a teacher, I know it has been difficult for us. We suddenly have to adapt to a completely different medium of teaching, and it has
Right.
been challenging. I agree.
Right.
But I think in 16 महीनों में थोड़ा सा तो हमारा हाथ साफ हो गया होगा, if I may say so. So online teaching has its challenges. Yes, you're talking to most of the time to a screen, someone, you don't know if the student behind that is actually paying attention to, I absolutely understand all of it. And for some of us, it could be technologically challenging also, जिन्होंने कभी शायद ऐसे medium use नहीं किए हो, उनके लिए हो सकते हैं. So, my suggestion, which I had followed as a teacher, is that let's be a student again. Right? I asked you about Insta Live, but I barely use Instagram much, and I had to ask you how to do it, and I learned about it, right? And now, if I
Right.
had to do it next time, this is information, this is knowledge, I can use it the next time.
बिल्कुल.
So to all the teachers, I would say that one first is that let's be considerate on ourselves, right?
Yeah.
I would say to everyone who is struggling, कि please redefine your baseline. जो आप पहले आपका जो भी criteria था performance का,
जी.
प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड पैंडेमिक टाइम्स को नॉर्मल टाइम से कंपेयर मत कीजिए. ऑब्वियसली कुछ minuses, pluses, इधर उधर होंगे, and just be kind and considerate to yourself if you miss out on few things. Yes, adopting to technology, I think, is also going to be the future of education. So maybe we should treat this episode as a learning curve, right? जहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें सीख रहे हैं जो हम शायद normal physical classes में नहीं सीखते. So let's try and be students again. And I completely agree that homemakers and teachers who have to, or every professional who has to work from home, it's double the responsibility. और कोई distraction उनके पास भी नहीं, जैसे बच्चों के पास नहीं, उनके पास भी नहीं है. So there is a saying now that no person is an island, right? आप अकेले सब कुछ कर लेंगे, ये अपने ऊपर से expectation नहीं जाने दीजिए. Now let's be more realistic of what we are able to do, and ask everyone to pitch in. Everybody at home can contribute in the respective manner. बच्चों से लेकर अगर आपका joint family है, सास ससुर पति पत्नी जो भी हैं, they all can pitch in some way or the other to ease it. And जो आपका pre-pandemic घर का स्थिति थी, उसी तरह से घर को रन करने की आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो यू आर बीइंग
बिल्कुल।
अनकाइंड टू योरसेल्फ, राइट? एक महामारी फैली हुई है, आपके पास सपोर्ट नहीं है, आपके बच्चे घर पे हैं, यू आर डीलिंग विद ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ challenges. Please be more realistic about how you wish to run a household. That's very, very important, I would say. And also about other people, you know, like when I speak to other teachers, I realize I'm not the only one जहाँ पे unresponsive बच्चे हैं, क्योंकि बच्चे भी शायद इसलिए response नहीं दे पा रहे कि उनका internet connection उतना stable नहीं है. So when you
जी
reach out to other people, you talk to other people, आप सबको पता है सभी लोग उसी नाव में हैं, right? So this can also be a kind of, you know, you can ventilate also, and you can be each other's support system also, you know. आप
ट्रू
एक दूसरे की मदद कर सकते हैं, कभी आपका ऑफिस में काम है तो कोई बच्चा देख लेगा. सो क्रिएट अ स्मॉल सोशल नेटवर्क अमंगस्ट योरसेल्व्स एंड बी देयर फॉर ईच अदर. एंड माइंड यू, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स टू अदर पीपल हु आर इन द सेम बोट, these
या
could act as a stress buster also, right? So that will really, really help. So especially to female teachers or women out there, I would say that please be kind to yourself. मत
या
सोचिए कि आपको परफेक्ट टीचर, परफेक्ट गृहिणी, टीचर तो चलिए सब परफेक्ट ही होते हैं, पर आपको परफेक्ट गृहिणी का रोल भी पूरा करना है, और आपको माँ भी अच्छा होना, आपको पत्नी भी अच्छा होना, बहू भी अच्छा होना, बेटी भी होना. That's just being too unkind to yourself. First and foremost duty of all of us is to be nice and considerate and kind to ourselves.
राइट. मैम अभी कमेंट पे क्वेश्चन है कि वो कौन सा ऐसा टाइम है कि जब किसी को लगे कि हाँ नाउ दिस इज द टाइम दैट यू नो दे शुड रीच आउट टू अ प्रोफेशनल हेल्प. आई मीन व्हाट इज दैट मोमेंट?
Right. See, I think all of us know our capability of dealing with things, right? हमें हम सबको पता है कि हमारा थ्रेशोल्ड कितना है, हम कितना बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं, या कितना हमारी कैपेसिटी टू टेक स्ट्रेस है, या कितना कैपेसिटी टू टेक एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है.
बिल्कुल.
जब आपको लगता है कि आपकी जो भी कोई सिचुएशन है, आई डोंट वांट टू नेम इट, बट जो भी आपका कोई कंसर्न है, वो आपकी
जी
डे टू डे लाइफ को अफेक्ट करना शुरू हो गया है, दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू फंक्शन लाइक or previous times, and you're not able to enjoy the life that you were enjoying before the concern hit you. And
राइट
उसमें आपके दोस्त, आपकी खुद, आपका, you know, maybe religious spirituality, nothing of that is
राइट
able to help you, then I think it's about time you seek professional help. Though there are few things which I would suggest to all of us who are generally feeling overwhelmed and not necessarily going through a
राइट
crisis or a mental health concern, that writing a diary is very, very therapeutic, right? You know, you can start blogging. Those young people who are constantly online or are
या
enjoying being online, you can write down your experiences. ये आप
राइट
अपने आगे वाले generation को बताएंगे कि ये pandemic हुआ था तो क्या क्या हुआ था. So not everything is to be seen as more negative. Then also mindfulness is something that we can enjoy, because we constantly bombarded with stimuli. आसपास
या
हम 100 चीजें हमारी attention के लिए, they're vying for attention. So being mindful, practicing some kind of physical, mental, spiritual health पे ध्यान देना, because health is not absence of disease. Health is basically you living the best of your, in the best of your capacity. And also
राइट
one thing which research has shown, which is found to be extremely beneficial especially during these times, and I personally have found during the pandemic, that being grateful for what we have. You know, हम
ट्रू
constantly हमारा ये होता है कि उसके पास ज्यादा है, comparison है, हमें और चाहिए. Look around yourself and be grateful for what all you have, and that will give you a sense of happiness, that will give you a sense of relief. You have so much to be grateful of. मतलब I can't start to count how many things we should be grateful of. जो औरों के लिए necessity है, वो हमारे लिए matter ही नहीं करता है, right? So as long as we count our blessings, we would
या
be able to tide through the pandemic. Yes, of course, but if it is a nagging concern, if it is affecting your quality of life, then please reach out to us, a professional. And there's no harm reaching out to a professional. Let's not make it a taboo. जैसे आप बुखार होता है उसकी दवाई लेते हैं, तो अगर आपको
जी
anxiety है तो you speak to somebody about it. You know, there's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong in seeking help for anything ever.
माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज दिस ओनली मैम दैट कई बार लोग इस स्टिग्मा में इस पे यू नो दे गेट कंफ्यूज दैट यू नो इज दिस द टाइम और इफ आई विल बी गोइंग टू अ डॉक्टर फॉर माय मेंटल हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, you know, I mean there are too many things, like you know, there is also a saying that मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए आपको जो डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं मेडिसिन वो नहीं लेना चाहिए. सो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट. ही सेज दैट मैम आई वाज एडवाइज्ड टू टेक क्वेश्चन टू टेक medicines because of you know the sleeping pattern. but he didn't respond to it. But the moment he started taking the medicines, उसका कहना है that now it has become his habit. Even when the doctor is asking not to have it, he is still having. So वो कह रहा है, उसका मानना ये है कि क्या ऐसा है कि ये दवाइयां उनको यूज टू कर देती हैं बच्चों को, या कोई भी जो मेंटल हेल्थ से रिलेटेड मेडिकेशंस पे जाता है.
It is not in my place to comment on medicines per se, Prerna. But yes, certain medicines are habit formation. उनसे होता है. वो इसीलिए डॉक्टर जितने समय के लिए आपको दवाई दें और जितने क्वांटिटी में दवाई दें उतना हमें फॉलो करना जरूरी है. एंड आई थिंक माय बिग फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाज कि हम ना मैजिक पिल ढूंढते हैं. आपको लगता है कि आपने बुरा खाना खाया और उसके कारण से आपका इंडिजेशन हो गया, अब मैं दवाई खा लेता हूँ या खा लेती हूँ एंड मेरा इंडिजेशन ठीक हो जाएगा, राइट. बट आप अगली बार फिर कुछ ऐसा खाते हैं और फिर इंडिजेशन होता है. एंड आप प्रॉब्लम अपने में नहीं, अपने बिहेवियर की जगह आप खाने पे डाल देते हैं. यू नीड टू सी दैट समथिंग इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर यू. एंड यस, फॉर सच माइनर हेल्थ physical health concerns, there are medicines which will keep you fine. But if you look at it, laxatives hai, anti-acid medicines होते हैं, I don't know what they call, antacid, sorry, yeah, antacids जो होते हैं, उसके लिए भी कहा गया है कि over a prolonged period of time अगर आप use करते हैं, so it has lasting consequences in the body. So आप अगर दवाई से सिर्फ अपनी सोने की प्रॉब्लम है जिसके कारण से कि आप डॉक्टर के पास गए थे, आप चाहते हैं कि दवाई से वो ठीक हो जाए, तो फिर आप सिम्टोमेटिक इलाज कर रहे हैं, जड़ तक तो जा ही नहीं रहे. और आप जब तक जड़ ठीक नहीं करेंगे तो ब्रांचेस ऑफ फ्रूट्स तो कुछ ना कुछ तो उनमें दिखेगा ही. सो मेंटल हेल्थ में सिर्फ दवाई लेना is not the only solution. You probably need to go into the depth of it to find out where is it coming from, and it is your responsibility. मतलब मेरा शारीरिक रूप से दर्द कोई नहीं बांट सकता, मानसिक तकलीफ कोई बांट तो सकता है, बट अब इवेंचुअली अगर आप उसको हटाना चाहते हैं तो वो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. यू वुड हैव टू मेक योर हेल्थ योर ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड कैन नॉट जस्ट रिलाई ऑन मेडिकेशन अलोन to take you through it. And I would also request, as you had mentioned, that there would be probably people from different schools, and I have seen some of your lives, and there are people from all walks of life. So it's my ardent request to everyone that mental health ko leke, I think the nation has to have a policy, the governments need to put things into place, the families, society, and schools, very, very importantly. Now we need to create this kind of awareness, and we need to create this kind of normalcy around it. कि जैसे हम सरदर्द के लिए या पेट खराब के लिए, बुखार के लिए डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, तो उसी तरह से एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस अगर नहीं हैंडल हो पा रहा खुद से, तो बिल्कुल जाना चाहिए. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट. देयर इज द टैबू नीड्स टू गो एंड इट्स अबाउट टाइम. अदरवाइज ना जाने कितने लोग साइलेंटली सफर करते हैं और अपनी जिंदगी भरपूर रूप से नहीं जी पाएंगे. एंड विच इज वेरी वेरी सैड फॉर अस एज ह्यूमैनिटी और अस एज फ्रेटर्निटी और अस एज सिविलाइजेशन, दैट हमारे में से कुछ लोग साइलेंटली सफर करते करते they go away without living their life to the best of their potential. That's a disservice we are doing to humanity, and I request with folded hands to everyone who is part of policy making, and the least is like you and I, let's be less judgmental, let's be more kind, let's be more forgiving, let's be more accommodating. And वो हम जो कोशिश सोचते हैं कि समाज बदलेगा, फिर परिवार बदलेगा, फिर इंसान बदलेगा, let's start with ourselves. We become the catalyst of change that we want, like be the change that you want to see. So हम जब लोगों के साथ अच्छा व्यवहार करते हैं, हम जब लोगों के साथ काइंड होते हैं, हम जब सब लोगों के साथ मदद करने का भाव रखते हैं, हम उनको जज कम करते हैं, समझने की कोशिश ज्यादा करते हैं, हम कहीं ना कहीं we are doing our bit. If that's the minimum we could do, and that would help people who are struggling from mental health concerns.
Right. Thank you so much, Madhulika ma'am. Before we conclude, I would request you to, सबके लिए आपका मैसेज और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए particularly.
Right. Dear students, I know this is difficult times for you. This is, the prime of your youth, and much of it is going indoors. But आपके पास जितने दिमाग में जितने ideas आते हैं, वो हमारी generation में अब उतने नहीं आते, right? So I would request all of you to take this pandemic and the challenges that you see during the pandemic as an opportunity to brainstorm, to troubleshoot, and come out with ways through which, like I know in my own college there is a student जिसने हम लोग को जब online teaching में चले गए थे, तो उसने एक ऐप बनाई जिसमें के सारे नोट्स को पीडीएफ में करके उन लोगों को भी दिया जा सकता है जिनका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन बहुत पुअर है, राइट? सो आप लोग यू आर ब्रिमिंग विद आइडियाज, जो आपकी एनर्जी है उसको सही जगह चैनलाइज कीजिए, इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग एट व्हाट यू डोंट हैव. काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स एंड लुक all that you have. And yes, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इस स्थिति से अपने आप को डील करने के लिए अपने आप को मुश्किल में पा रहे हैं, if you feel that you need help and you're not able to handle any kind of emotional turmoil that you may be going through, please reach out. There are plenty of helplines which are offering telephonic counseling, free counseling to everybody who is in need of it. Feel free, find a routine, have a purpose in life, be more kind, and I would say gratitude se start kijiye, and being thankful for what you have will bring a lot of difference to you. But if there are any specific concerns, then those specific concerns can be answered specifically only. But these broad, I think अगर आप general lifestyle changes की तरह हम इसको ले आए कि we'll be more kind, we'll be more forgiving, we'll be more grateful. We'll see, start saying, you know, like आप अच्छा खाना शुरू करते हैं तो over the period of time आपकी body अच्छी तरह से respond करने लगती है. So इसी तरह से हम ये अच्छी practices life में शुरू करेंगे. आप देखिएगा over a period of time you'll start reaping the benefits of these good practices, and the sooner we start, the better it is.
Right. Thank you so much, Madhulika ma'am, for coming live and sharing. I mean, I think this was such a fruitful session, and जो भी questions हमें स्कूलों से आए थे, उनके भी you have answered. I mean, सारे questions को. And I really look forward for more sessions like this based on mental health.
Thank you, Prerna,
and the awareness.
And many congratulations and kudos to you for taking up this issue. If there are any specific concerns, please feel free to reach out, and I'm going to answer to them as much as possible. I mean, to the best of my abilities, I'll try and help everybody. And my message to everyone who has joined in, please, please, please be kind to yourself. That's the least you could do, and be kinder to others. That's the most if you could, in any situation, if you do, that is the one thing. And my best wishes and prayers for all of you. We'll tide this over as well. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good Sunday, everyone. Bye.